Diyos nagpapagaling. Let's look at Exodus 15:26, NIV version po ito. He said, if you listen carefully to the Lord your God and do what is right in His eyes, if you pay attention to His commands and keep all His decrees, I will not bring on you any of the diseases I brought onto the Egyptians, for I am the Lord who heals you. That's a mighty revelation of who God is. Kaya nga, diba, Jesus be revealed. Di ba, no? Lord, magpakahayag ka, magpakilala ka. It's everyday po yun, ha? Hindi lang tuwing may naririnig kayong ganito na preaching. Everyday needs to be a revelation of who God is in your life. And ito, nagsasabi ang Panginoon, for I am the Lord who heals you. Not only physical, but holistic. Whatever it is that you're suffering. Sa emosyon, sa kaisipan, sa kaluluwa, sa physical, lahat po ito. I am the God who heals you, declares the Lord.